Mr. Chairman, paano makapag-execute ng SPA itong namatay na nung that was siguro 15 years ago? Oh, Alex Tumang. Oh, how will you answer this? Ito, kinonfirm na ni Kapitan ha. Kinonfirm pa ni kinonfirm pa ni Hillary. Kinonfirm din ngayon. Pinapakonfirm ko pa sa PSA. Oh, what can you say about it? Because you're part of this transaction and your brother, former Mayor Tumang, told this committee, patay na po. How can a dead person issue an SPA? Ayun yung tanong ko. Huwag muna tayo mag-engage doon sa kung alin sa property na yon. If I will find out, if this committee will find out that indeed you're lying, I will cite you in contempt. I will move to cite you in contempt. Papukulong kita, Quezon City Jail. Eh, huwag tayo dito maglulukuhan. Patay na yung tao na kapag-issue pa ng SPA. Oh, Mayor, we were not born yesterday. Mayor ka pa naman.
Opo,
Mayor ka pa naman.
hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Now, eto, yung statement mo nakaraan, sabi mo kanina, etong SPA, ikaw.
Opo,
Pero yung property, sa kapatid mo.
my brother.
Ayun na nga, Mr. Chairman. Inaamin na ngayon ni Mayor na itong property na to, siyang may SPA, pero yung brother niya, ang may-ari. This property never reflects on the salin of Mayor Teddy Tumang. Kaya pinapaamin niya ngayon sa kapatid niya. Hindi pwede po dalawang sinungaling dito. Okay, LRA. LRA, are you familiar with the transaction between Mr. Alex Tumang, Roy Gomez, Teddy Tumang with Willie Ong?
Yes, Your Honor, we already submitted the documents related
Oh.
to the transaction.
Now, eto, Mr. Chairman, special power of attorney for Mr. Teddy Tumang. Do you have a copy of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, what was the date?
It appears to have been notarized on April 10, 2019, Your Honor.
April 10, 2019, and the transaction between Teddy Tumang, Roy Gomez, and Alex Tumang when?
The deed of sale was executed on May 21, 2019, Your Honor.
Oh, so April 10 is PA. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then May 21, selling.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, paano makapag-execute ng SPA itong namatay na nung that was siguro 15 years ago? Oh, Alex Tumang. Oh, how will you answer this? Ito, kinonfirm na ni Kapitan ha. Kinonfirm pa ni Kinonfirm pa ni Hillary. Kinonfirm din ngayon. Pinapakonfirm ko pa sa PSA. Oh, what can you say about it? Because you're part of this transaction and your brother, former Mayor Tumang, told this committee.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Pakilapit na lang po ng mic.
Mr. Chair, regarding doon sa property, based doon sa mga records ko kahit yung mga taga San Jose Malino, dalawang parsela po, hindi lang po iisa yung may-ari. Yung nasa left side, katapat po ng gasoline station at ginawang commercial building ni Engineer Bong, ang kapitan ng Barangay San Jose Malino, tama po kay Bernardo Evangelista, married to Ines Tumang. Ngayon, yung nasa right side, nakadugtong ng property na bili ni Willie Ong, pag-aari po ni Carmelino Tuason.
Okay, sige. I will give you the benefit of the doubt of your argument. LRA, please check. LRA, please check the statement of Alex Tumang if indeed he's telling the truth. Now, Mr. Alex Tumang, ayan yung defense mo. But you cannot defend this because Ines and Bernardo Tumang issued as SPA for your brother, and your brother is telling this committee in the last hearing na sa'yo, na ikaw daw ang nagtransaksyon ito with Roy Gomez. Now, ang sinasabi ko dito is, patay na po, how can a dead person issue an SPA? Ayun yung tanong ko. Huwag muna tayo mag-engage doon sa kung alin sa property na yon. Just a question of this SPA.
Mr. Chair, wala po akong kinalaman doon sa SPA. Ang nangyari po doon, tinawag po ako ng former Mayor Teddy Tumang na kung ibebenta ko yung lupa na nabili ko, sabi ko, oo, ibebenta ko. O sinong pwedeng makausap? Tawagan ko si Erning dahil siya ang nakikialam niyan. Si Ernesto, yung anak po ni Bernardo Evangelista.
Okay, pero ang
Kaya
question
wala
na,
po akong pangalan doon sa SPA at wala din po akong pangalan doon sa deed of sale.
correct, that's correct. But during the previous hearing, you never denied it when Teddy Tumang told this committee na ikaw. Kahit si Roy Gomez. When Roy Gomez was asked about it,
Wala po akong nalalaman na sinabi nila na kasama po ako doon sa SPA.
ay, wag ka magsinungaling, Mr. Alex. They never told us that you're part of the SPA. Wala kang pangalan dito. But during that hearing, your brother, former mayor, Teddy Tumang, ikaw ang tinuro.
Wala
No.
po nalalaman na ako po tinuro doon sa ano po.
So you're not here during that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, please, Comsec, please the record if during that hearing. Ito, Alex ha, Mr. Tumang, Alex Tumang, balikan kita mamaya. Pero last lang to ha, punta ko muna si Mayor Tumang. Kasi hindi pwede po dalawang sinungaling dito. Isa sa inyo nagsisinungaling or my question, if you are present during that hearing, I will not hesitate to cite in contempt. Kasi you're now telling this committee that during that deliberation, hindi mo narinig, no, na ikaw ang itinuro ni Teddy Tumang. Kasi you were invited in this hearing because of that. You will never be invited in this committee hearing if not for the statement of your brother and Mr. Roy Gomez. Now, again, last na lang to po. Strike 2 ka. Tanungin kita ulit. Ikaw ba? Tama ba ang kapatid mo? O narinig mo ba during the hearing na ikaw ang tinuturo ng kapatid mo?
Mr. Chair,
Yes or no lang po?
yung sinasabi
Yes or no lang? Are you not present during the hearing?
hindi ko na po matandaan kung present po
That's
ako.
the safest excuse. And that, if that is your answer, if I will find out, if this committee will find out that indeed you're lying, I will cite you in contempt. I will move to cite you in contempt. Papukulong kita, Quezon City Jail, kung gusto ni Chairman ako. Wag tayo dito maglulukuhan. Patay na yung tao na kapag-issue pa ng SPA. Of course, your name is not in the document. Well, sinasabi ko, your brother told this committee and Roy Gomez confirmed that you are the one who transacted it. Though, ang may SPA yung kapatid mo.
Mr. Chair, paki-detail nga po kung ano pong transaksyon.
Hindi ko na may detalye, pinapatsik ko pa ng record eh. Ay, sinasabi ko lang.
Ang pagkaalam ko po, itong
No, hindi ang pagkaalam mo. Ang sinasabi ko, if narinig mo ba yon? Pumasok ba sa utak mo yon? Kasi during that hearing, you are present. No? You are present. Hindi mo tinanay yung statement ng kapatid mo. And that is on record. And now you're telling me,
Mr. Chair, ano po ang pagkasabi po ni ang former Mayor Teddy
ewan ko sa iyo, kaya tatanungin ko siya.
sa property
Hindi nga, ang sinasabi ko lang that time, si Roy Gomez confirm, nandun ka. Sabi ni Mayor Tumang, ikaw.
Mr. Chair, ano pong kinomfirm nila sa akin?
I will check the record para in toto.
Po.
I will check the record para in toto. But sinabi mo kanina na you're denying. Of course, hindi ko naman sinabi na pangalan mo na sa SPA. Sinasabi ko lang na nung hearing na yon, nandito ka, sinabi ng kapatid mo, hindi mo dininay. Now you're denying that you are not part of that transaction when in fact you are not supposedly invited in this committee if not that your brother told this committee na ikaw po kasali dun sa transaction na yon. Balikan kita. Pinapacheck ko lang po yung record.
Thank you.
Baka, anyway, Mr. Chairman, can we ask Mayor Tumang?
Please proceed. I think he's still on Zoom.
Mr. Tumang,
Yes po, Your Honor. Good afternoon.
Mr. Tumang, now, your brother is denying that he is not part of this transaction. and your name appears on record that you were given a special power of attorney by the spouses Bernardo Evangelista and Ines Tumang Evangelista. Pero patay na po eh. Yung SPA binigay August 10, 2019. Pero patay na po yung dalawa eh. Oh, how can a dead person give you special power of attorney?
Ito po, Your Honor. Explain po.
Former Mayor Tumang, Mr. Tumang, just to remind you, you're under oath.
Yes po.
Okay, please proceed.
Yung pong lupang yan, yung pong unang hearing po, wala po yung kapatid ko dyan. Yung pong lupang yan, original, kaya sa kanya po talaga yan. Pero, ako po ang nabigyan ng SPA. Opo.
Ano? Pakiulit ka.
Yung lupa po yan, sa kapatid ko po talaga yan.
Kapatid mo.
Yung pong lupa, sa kapatid ko po.
Ba't dinideny niya ngayon?
Hindi niya po dinideny. Kaya sinabi po niya kanina, tinanungan ko po yung kapatid ko kung binebenta niya yung lupa.
Ganito na lang. So, ngayon,
wala pong pangalan diyan yung kapatid ko. Ako po ang nagpag-transaction, ako po ang binigyan ng SPA ng anak ni Bernardo at yung si Ines. Hindi ko po alam na patay na po yung kasi ang nag-issue po ng nagbigay po ng SPA na hindi ko po kasi talaga, hindi namin po close relative po yan.
hindi, kasi ganito, Alex, nung first hearing, you were not present because you were not invited. But because your name appears with the statement of your brother, nasabi niya, kasi that time mayor siya eh. Diba? Now, sinabi niya na yung property na yun is owned by you. Eh, wala kang pangalan mo dito. But that property, sabi ng kapatid mo, is owned by you. Now, ang question ko, Mr. Tumang, di pa nga kita tinanong eh, bakit naka-zoom ka? Oh, but yung iba dito, nandito ngayon sa hearing, but ikaw,
Kanina po, masama po yung aking biglang tumaas po ang blood pressure ko.
that is an excuse by, not all, by most of the resource speaker that
Kasi matas
may cooperate in this hearing.
diabetic po ako,
Okay.
Honor.
O, pag-submit ng medical certificate.
Yes po, Your Honor. Kasi inano po ako ng anak ko, mataas po yung BP ko, hindi po ako nahihilo po ako, kaya hindi po ako nakadalo.
Dapat pumunta ka dito and let the medical service of this house check your medical situation. How can you produce a medical certificate on that day? Kapatid, anak mo yung nagsabi.
Opo, doktor po yung anak ko, Your Honor.
Yun na nga eh.
Yung BP ko.
Hindi, Mr. Tumang, I want you to be present at the next hearing, physically present. Now, if you may problema ka, that excuse, Mr. Chairman, ang excuse niya is not acceptable to me. Anyway, now, Mr. Alex Tumang, you were invited in this hearing because your brother told this committee that the property is yours.
Your Honor, ako
Hello.
po yung nagpag-transaction, kaya po nakapangalan sa akin yung SPA. Yung
Kasi nga,
kausap yung si
Alex ito sinasabi niya, ito Mr. Tumang, nasa yung SPA. May problema ang SPA, wala.
Lately po, nalaman namin na may problema po. Hindi namin po kasi alam na patay na po pala yung si Ines, tsaka si, ano ba yung pangalan ng isa? Si
Mayor, you're lying. Because the mayor, you're
Hindi
2019.
Galing.
2019, you're the mayor of Mexico, Pampanga.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor. Kaya ang kausap po namin kasi yung anak niya si Erning. Sabi niya po, buhay po yung kanyang magulang. Hindi namin po ka-close sa relatives po namin, pero hindi namin po ka-close. Naniwala po kami sa anak niya, sabi niya, buhay po yung kanyang magulang. Yun po ang pagkakalam namin.
Mayor will not born yesterday. Mayor ka pa naman.
Opo.
Mayor ka pa naman.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Now, eto, yung statement mo nakaraan, sabi mo kanina, eto, etong SPA, ikaw.
Opo,
Pero yung property, sa kapatid mo.
my brother.
Oh, ayun na nga, Mr. Chairman eh. Inaamin na ngayon ni Mayor na itong property na to, siyang may SPA, pero yung brother niya, ang may-ari. Tama, Mr. Tumang?
Sa original po, siya po talagang mayari, pero ako pong nagpag-transaction.
Hindi nga, ang punto nga dito is, ikaw may SPA, pero siya may-ari.
Opo,
Oh,
yun po yung statement ko.
Mr. Tumang, Alex,
Mr.
Oh.
Chair.
do you want to
Ah,
deny the
Mr.
statement
Chair,
of your brother?
i-explain ko lang po para
Hindi,
maintindihan
sandali,
po ng committee.
dali. Yes or no lang? Do you deny the statement of your brother that this property that is involved with the SPA of your brother is yours?
Opo, totoo po yun. Sa akin po yung nasa left side ng sinasabi ko. Yung sa kabila po, yung nasa right side, kay Carmelino Tuason po kung saan po nakuha po yung drugs.
Hindi, wag muna natin pag-usapan yung drugs. Kasi yung drugs, no? Etong dokumento lumusot na to dahil sa droga, di ba? But, spurious yung dokumento. Involved ka.
Mr. Chair,
Dali.
kaya po nagugulat
You will
po
not
yung committee.
recognize.
Hindi po kasi
Please stop talking,
pangalan
Mr.
ko.
Chairman. Mr. Chairman, the resource person is not recognized, Mr. Chairman. Keep on talking.
1 minute suspension. May we ask the resource persons
Lumapit ka
to
nga
please,
dito.
when you reply to a question being asked of you, please refer to the chair at pabayaan po muna natin patapusin yung nagtatanong because you will be given, I will make sure that you will also be given time to reply. Sige po.
Okay. Oh, Mr. Chairman, again, yes or no lang. Oh, do you confirm that this...
Session resumed.
Thank you.
Yes,
Sorry,
continue,
Chairman.
Congressman
Oh, now,
Patricio.
Mr. Alex Tumang, you confirm na that this property involved with the spurious document is indeed yours because that was the statement from your brother?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Sa akin po yan, yung property po. Pero hindi po nailipat sa aking pangalan.
Yeah. Of course, hindi na ilipat dahil wala ka nga dito eh. But Roy Gomez testified that you were part. And now your brother is telling this committee, and you confirm now that this property, which involves spurious document, is yours. Tama?
Tama po, Mr. Chair. Akin
Oh,
po yan.
wag muna natin pag-usapan yung warehouse. Ha? Because I have to check with the LRA if you're telling the truth. But what I'm telling, Mr. Chairman, Mayor Tumang, Mayor of Mexico Pampanga, at the very least, no? Question of due diligence, Mr. Chairman, maniwala ba tayo doon na hindi niya alam, napatay na pala? Kapilido niya pa? At itong si Alex Tumang, hindi ko maintindihan kung ito, ano lang to eh. Kasi, alam mo, Mr. Chairman, ito, diretsahin kita, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Alex Tumang, your brother keep on insisting that this property is yours because this property never reflects in the SALN of your brother. Ganun lang po. Ganun lang po. To this honorable committee, to the members of this committee, to the chairman, Mr. Chairman, they keep on telling this committee. And now, Alex Tumang admitted na itong property involved na may problemang dokumento is his property because this property that was bought by Mr. former Mayor Teddy Tumang, wala po sa salain niya to. Kaya ito ngayon yung problema, Mr. Chairman, may kaso si Mr. Tumang, former Mayor, may kaso ka rin. Hindi, I will really personally recommend. Kasi yung dokumento, nagpapakita, etong property na to was bought by Mr. Teddy Tumang with an SPA na namatay na. Then, ito ngayon, dahil nagka-imbestiga sa committee ko, public accounts, nag-imbestiga dito, sa public accounts, malinaw po na this property never reflects on the SALN of Mayor Teddy Tumang. Kaya pinapaamin niya ngayon sa kapatid niya. Now, ang lusot ngayon, because this is a drug investigation, ang lusot ngayon that this property daw is not involved in drugs. But still, Mr. Alex Tumang, pag na-prove yan na indeed that property is not involved, but still, you have a case to face. Because you're part of the conspiracy. Concealing public, supposedly public document. SALN of your brother. Tinatakpan mo po yung kapatid mo.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay June Fajardo, huling-huli ka na, sumasagot ka pa, ikulong na ang mga yan, pinapaikot pa kayo. Pahayag naman ni Joel De Terra, kawawa naman ang mga taga Pampanga, puro ganyan ang mga opisyal nila. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Alfredo Porres, only in the Philippines. Patay na, nakakapirma pa. Kulong kayo ngayon at wala kayong lusot. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.